Hello guys, it's no longer news that Coinbase Wallet does not support XLM, XRP, and Bitcoin Cash. Now if we check the address system right here, we'll check the receiver address right here, and then we'll click on other crypto asset. Now we'll see the total number of assets that is supported by Coinbase Wallet right here. You could deposit Bitcoin, you could deposit Solana and its token, you could deposit Litecoin and Dogecoin, but you can't deposit the likes of Bitcoin Cash, XRP, Stellar, XLM. So now you had XLM on your Coinbase wallet and it's no longer reflecting. Here is what you can do to actually get your token back. Alright, so by the end of this video, if you could not find solution to your problem, maybe your own problem is different, your own case is different, feel free to message me via email 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗔𝗥𝗓 or my Instagram 𝗦𝗓𝗏𝗡𝗏, and then I'll be glad to assist you. So I've actually assisted 𝗦𝗚𝗚𝗡𝗡 to recover over 300k. So this is what you need to do. Click on settings. Now when you click on settings, click on address and seed phrase. Now you have to come to this side and click recovery phrase. Now when you click recovery phrase, enter your passcode. So once you click to view your recovery phrase, now the next thing you're going to do is to click on this copy. Now when you copy it, now go into your Trust Wallet. Now when you go into Trust Wallet, open it. Now when you open it, what you need to do, click on this drop down, click on add new wallet, click on add new wallets. Yes, now click on add new wallet, then click on I already have an existing wallet, click on paste with 12k recovery phrase, or if it's 24k recovery phrase. If it's private key, you choose private key, then paste it with private key, and then as soon as you do that, you're going to see your cryptocurrency reflect. If your own case, this doesn't apply to you or it doesn't reflect in your own case, you know what to do. You can message me and then I'll be glad to guide you on how to do this recovery. So if you're still watching this video to this extent, just know that I'm grateful you stopped by. So like this video, subscribe to this channel right now, and make sure you always comment what your thoughts are. They are important in growing our community and growing and for the growth of the video. So please do that for me.